Yeah, so I started with the existing mesh of the new museum by Sana, and then the shape comes from but the point is we want the shapes to be more abstract, and what I try to do here is try to begin with the existing place itself, and it's all trying to kind of follow the existing shape of the place, and then I'm making like squares tracing the place and trying to like pull in and pull out all this the lines of this area. I'm trying to make a structure for the splines, and then after that I'm making a spline. So by this square is actually to help to kind of mold the shape that we wanted. So I'm just choosing the spline 2 points, and then start doing a freehand where's the points that I want to attach to. And continue to the other points, and follow into the other points as well. So by doing this, what we are actually find is trying to do all of this and create form, solid form out of everything. But then what I do is actually to create a independent form by itself. For example, this one, solid form, or this one. And after, for example, I get this surface, what I do is what I do is actually to define the surface. So because we want to create the structure out of it, so I do define the surface, and this one then proceeded to be the base for the structure. And then because our shape of the component is more hexagonal, so what I do is to define the surface itself. This here I have the pattern, and then you choose hexagon, and then trying to measure okay, so for example it should be 40. So yeah, and then we will have this. So what I'm trying to do here is actually to build I already built a model that's gonna be used for the actual project. So this is the model that we're trying to use, and there's a structure, and then we doing 2 models. The first model is actually for the structure itself, it's more attached to the buildings, and then the second one is the skin, so it's bigger and more spacious. And here what I'm trying to do is to kind of transforming this one into the hexagon itself. And this has to be hexagon as well. And then yeah, so we can have kind of 2 different size of the hexagon just because of this number of the grid. That's all to make the skin itself. Thank you.
So here is a structure. The structure will have 2 parts. One is the surface frame, which is formed by UV surface divided, and the other is the supporting frame, which is under the So this one is a supporting frame, which is some of them use the adaptive point to locate to the surface frame, and the other part is located to the building structure. And also there are two adaptive components. One is this is the supporting frame. We have 12 adapting points which could be adjusted by the different and the frame gonna generate it automatically. And the other one is a frame adapted component. It's here. You can see it. So for this one, they have 12 points, and all of them are adaptive points. We located on the frame. We located is on the divided surface. So here is the structure, how it looks like.
So this section of the video will show how the component is made. So we currently have 6 adaptive points right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and these 6 will attach to the skin that's on the second part of the video. These 6 points are offset in the z direction through the offset z parameter about 6 feet, as you see right here. And then these are connected to the center point with another 6 points right here, which start to give the gap parameter, which basically allows this oculus to open and close. As the oculus goes to 1, it closes all the way, and when it goes to 0 on the other side, it opens all the way. And then this openness and closedness is informed by a 7th adaptive point, which is up here, which moves up and down. So as the 7th point moves closer to the oculus, it opens all the way. And as this is pulled further, the oculus begins to close up. The parameter for this is the distance parameter.